This is my family's favorite eggplant recipe. Crispy on the outside with juicy meat and melty cheese inside. Every bite is a surprise. Slice the eggplant like this. Make one cut without going all the way through, then cut into pieces. Keep each piece under 1 inch thick so it cooks evenly. Lightly salt both sides and let it sit for 10 minutes. Season the ground meat with oyster sauce, soy sauce, cooking wine, and a bit of cornstarch. Prepare 3 bowls. Cake flour with salt, pepper, and paprika. Beaten eggs with a pinch of salt. Breadcrumbs mixed with a little parmesan grated cheese. The salted eggplant will release moisture. This helps the coating stick better. Add a small amount of meat between the slices and spread it flat. Don't overfill or it won't cook through. Add some cheese, then gently press to seal. Coating flour, then egg, then breadcrumbs. Pan fry over low heat with a bit more oil. Cook until golden, about 4 to 5 minutes per side. If you're not sure it's cooked through, gently press with a spatula. If it feels soft, it's done. For extra crispiness, turn the heat up at the end and fry each side for 30 seconds. Sprinkle some toasted sesame seeds and chopped parsley on top. And that's it. Crispy, cheesy eggplant patties that taste amazing. Hope you give it a try. Thanks for watching and see you next time.